I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich
and very heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders,
and
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and